This Apple Magic Keyboard I'm reviewing today is an older model with a Lightning connection, wireless Bluetooth, and no Touch ID. This keyboard has a laptop-like typing feel and design to it, but with some downsides. Depending on how and where you use this, your experience may vary. If you use this on a desktop, the keyboard might be too low for you, and you may need to add some additional adjustable feet because it doesn't have any. For a standalone keyboard with a laptop-like typing feel and design to it, this keyboard can work for some people. I, however, would have liked some additional height adjustments. The keyboard will notify you when you are low on battery on your local Apple devices. I'm not sure if that notification works with non-Apple devices, but I do think turning off the keyboard when not using it will conserve its battery life. This Apple Magic Keyboard benefits from a laptop-like typing feel and design, but doesn't have adjustable feet for a more comfortable typing experience on a desktop mode. If you use this in other scenarios that are different from a desktop, your experience may vary. But with many other companies offering Apple OS supported keyboards that offer height adjustment, this Magic Keyboard loses points in flexibility. This Magic Keyboard gets a rating of a 73 out of 100. Other videos, like this one, will now debut Mondays starting at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this and my other channels. My other channels are Nerviews for entertainment reviews, nerbygames for gaming, and Nerby Sully for entertainment and voiceover/acting content. Links to these other channels and my new support page will be in the description, and anything related to this channel displays now.